Hey guys, I took a little bit longer than expected to come back because I was looking at the markets, and to be quite honest, I don't see anything that I'm really interested right now in immediately giving to you guys. I had to go and man up a little bit. I emoed out in the last Periscope video. So guys, let's um let's get as many hearts as possible. By the way, um, and let's try to break well over 20 million tonight, like well over 20 million. Thank you so much, Brandon. I appreciate that. I didn't mean to go all like emotional on you guys, but I figure we're family, right? So you broke your toe. That's not a good thing. And all right, so guys, I'm looking at the markets right now. By the way, if you don't know me, I'm Ocean Sky. My real name is Reza. I'm an entrepreneur, life coach, success coach, and one of the foremost traders in the world. I teach individuals how to make money every single day by trading the financial markets, and at the same time, I teach them how to assess different businesses and generate money via different revenue sources. And I do it for absolutely free. So I'm going to be taking a look at the markets right now, but guys, I'll be honest, I don't see anything I want you to get involved in. Okay, so let's take a look and see. Okay, so this is the euro, guys. All right, now the euro. I mean, it's been kind of wonky because we had this major push up, then we reclaim, then we had a pull down. So let me run the Fibonacci levels on this. Let me run the fib levels on this because I believe we reclaimed, we broke 50% of it. Well, yeah, we went to the 61.8% retracement level on the Fibonacci's. Okay, let me actually um, close the chat. Guys, please give me as many hearts as possible. I really, really, really appreciate it if you do. Um, we touched a 61.8 Fibonacci level, guys. Again, this is all stuff I've taught you guys, and I wasn't around to show you this today. I mean, I wasn't here at the time it happened, but God, you should have taken this trade because it's stuff I taught you, you know? You should have the second you saw a new high to a new low, you should have drawn your Fibonacci levels, right? And when you saw it failing on the 61.8, which I told you guys is such an important level, you should have bought it, right? So anyways, long story short, I'm looking at the market right now, and you know, it's a little bit wonky. It's nothing I really want to get involved in. This morning I came and I gave everyone a pound USD trade that made them a ton of money. All the trades overnight made a ton of money as well. But this is what I think is actually going to happen. I am actually playing price action now based on what Euro's been doing. And I think you're more safer playing a long play on the euro right now. Fundamentally, it's not supported, but you know, it's just the way it's been going. I think it wants to play a retracement here. Now, I have a feeling we're going to try to go up about 40 more pips, okay? And we're going to get stopped around the 109.75 area. So if you want to play the euro, okay, let me take a look at the daily candle. My daily, I just want to look at this for myself. You know, the daily candle doesn't look too convincing either. If I pull this down from here, but you know, I have room to push. I have room to push to 109.75. So the Euro USD could actually go up to the 109.75 area, which is 50 more pips up. All right. My hunch is that it's going to go long. So you could buy the Euro USD and target right up here. But you're going to have to, might do one of these, but you're going to have to keep your eyes out on it. out peeled on it, because if prices get up to here, if you buy and you get up here, immediately get rid of your position, all right, and take the profits. Now, if the euro doesn't bounce off this line and push up, and it spills below the 109.30, that's indication that down we go. All right, so for it to continue bullish momentum, this trend line and this horizontal support line is going to need to be intact and kept in place. Wow, almost 800 people in here. Thank you so much, guys. Please share the feed. Share the feed, and if you don't know me, click the person down at the bottom, that picture, and add me. Okay, and adding to Instagram as well, Ocean Sky, OCEANNSKY. Amazing, almost 800 people in here. So for the euro to continue a bearish play, it's going to need to break below 109.30. Okay, and then you can sell it. Okay, now you guys know where your support and resistance levels are and trend lines are, and you know exactly what to do when they get broken. However, it's coming down right now. A failure here, you can buy with a potential upside of 109.70. So you'd end up making yourself 30, 40, 50, 70, 40 pips, which is awesome, right? So keep your eyes out on the euro. My hunch is this is a play that will happen. If it breaks down below here, you know what to do. So before I used to just say do this, do this, do this. Now that I'm teaching you guys rather than just giving you handouts, I'm teaching you guys how to look at it so you can make money even if I'm asleep. So if you guys wake up and I'm asleep, you'll know where the market is. If it's bounced off of here, you buy it. If it's broken below here, you sell it. All right, so that's the Euro USD. XAU USD, which is gold. Let's take a look at it on a 1 hour. Okay, on a 1 hour, I'm going to draw this trend line. And I'm going to see that this trend line is actually broken temporarily. And we're trading above this trend line. Okay, so gold is another thing that may shoot up to here. Around this area, okay? But from there, it should continue lower. So keep your eyes out on gold. Guys, share the feed, please. Share the feed. Okay, share the feed. I appreciate it. And give me as many hearts as possible. Gold, keep your eyes. If it breaks below this trend line, then this is invalid. If it doesn't and a 1 hour candle fails, then you can buy it expecting to go up to the 1102 handle. If it breaks below the trend line and the horizontal support line at 1095, then short it with this target. So again, you can, depending on where it goes, because we're scalping and we're not position or swing trading, we don't really care about the next 2 days. We care about the next 4 hours. Right? So a lot of traders are going to say, well, pick a position. Are you going to buy it or are you going to sell it? Well, no, we're scalping. So we can buy it or we can sell it depending on which side of my line it breaks. So keep your eyes on this area, and this may occur or it might just break right through. So either way, you can trade this and make some money. Now, I want you guys to make 50 pips overnight. 50 pips a night is going to make you rich. Believe me. If you can do 50 pips every night, you're going to become very rich individuals. All right? This is the pound USD. Let's take a look at it. Pound USD. Let's trend line it here as well. This is a 15-minute chart. We can see trend line here is trading below it. All right, let's see, we got some support right around here. Again, with the pound USD is probably going to drop, guys, to be honest with you, from the looks of it. So see this trend line that I just drew on a 1 hour time frame? Okay, which starts off at around the high of 156.67, so about 50 pips up. As long as price is trading below this, you can sell it. You can sell the pound USD. So as long as price is trading below this trend line, you can sell the GBP USD. If price breaks above it, why is it telling me no battery and it's in the, sorry guys, this charger Omar gave me is so terrible. My phone's probably going to die any second. As long as we're trading below this line, okay, you're bearish, all right? If you break above this line, you've got, remember, 1, 2, 3 resistance points where 156.88 is going to be your top, okay? So what you can do if you want to scalp, take a short position anywhere around here. However, if it breaks, you know your position is invalid, all right? Now, with that being said, just like the euro, I'm leaning towards a long scalp. I have a gut feeling it may try to pop up to here. Okay? I have a feeling it may try to go up to here. So if you want to try, just like the euro, you can try buying it for a scalp upwards. All right? So, you can try buying it for a scalp upwards, but just keep your eyes on the pair. You've got multiple support and resistance around here. Let's take a look at AUD USD quickly, see if I have anything in here. I'm like, again, guys, remember, there's nothing that I really love right now in the markets. AUD USD, you could actually sell. AUD USD, you can try selling it right around this zone and target down here. Okay, it seems weak to me. It seems very, very weak to me. All right. But again, what are you going to do if when it gets up to here, instead of failing on a candle, breaking through? If it breaks through here, what do? You buy, right? Because remember, we're scalping for about 15 to 20 pips on every single pair. That's all we're doing. We're not looking for no long-term bullshit, all right? USD CAD 130.33. Higher highs, yeah. Buy USD CAD, buy USD CAD. Buy USD CAD at around 130.14. Okay? Around 130.14, you can buy USD CAD. So if it comes down to here and it fails on a 1 hour candle, buy it and target here. That's all I want you to target. Okay? Just target 15, 20 pips. And before it gets there, this mini trend line is going to need to break. So when this trend line breaks, go ahead and buy it. If that trend line doesn't break, you can buy it the moment it breaks this line. So multiple plays for you. Okay, wait for this trend line to break, candle to fail at 130.14, buy it, target here. That doesn't happen, wait till 130.44 is broken, buy it, and just target higher highs. Okay? The trades for now. I'm going to come and reassess them in a bit. Let me turn the chat on. Okay, those are the trades for now. Again, I'm giving you guys as much as I can see. There's nothing guaranteed juicy out there. My moving average is set to a 50-day, a 100-day, and a 200-day moving average. Okay? Girl Fight Club. That's her name. Girl Fight Club. I was talking about you, honey. I was talking about you. You're an awesome person. And I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for getting that laptop. I'm really proud of you. It's a great laptop you got. So, I have people, I have a team working for my, working on my SOS Sons of Sky logo right now and the website. What's in the can? Beer. Dab beer. So, guys, just take a look at the trades I told you to take a look at. Okay? And yeah. Okay? So, Why is everybody shouting euro? What just happened with the euro? Girl Fight Club. Send me a direct message on Instagram so I can help you if you're having problems. Set up your. Let me help you set up your MT4. Okay. Send me a message on Instagram and I'll help you set it up. Right now, everything I'm doing is Wi-Fi on my phone because my satellite on the phone itself is not working properly. My radio on it, so like the texts and calls, my Wi-Fi is working properly. So DM me please on Instagram and I will get to you and I'll help you out. Um, Also, my buddy Will, if he's watching this, I'm going to message you on Kick in a bit too, so I can help you set up as well. What else? What else? What else? So yeah, guys. Anyways, take a look. Take a look at all the stuff, all the trades I've given you. You know where your targets are. You know what the trend lines are. You know, at this point, I want you guys to learn rather than just rely on me. Okay. Um, and yeah. So okay. So I love you guys. I'll be back in a bit. And guys, I hope I got many hearts. But I'll definitely back in a little bit to talk to you guys because I miss you guys the moment I'm gone. And let me just close this. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask when I come back. And love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you guys so much. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Oh fuck, I gotta stop.